Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by linking your repository to Render so deployments are reproducible and automated. First, make sure your project has a start script or proc file. This tells Render how to run your service. Next, sign in and connect GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Grant access to the specific repo, not everything. Once done, pick the service type, web service for HTTP apps or background worker for jobs, and give the service a clear name, because Render uses that for DNS and logs. Now you configure build settings and environment variables so your app builds reliably on Render. Pick the runtime or supply a Docker file and specify the build and start commands. This ensures the container or instance knows how to compile and serve your app. Then add env variables and secrets in Render's dashboard. Do not store them in code, because credentials must stay private. Also choose the region and enable auto-deploy from your main branch, so changes push automatically. Finally, trigger the first deploy and monitor build logs. You will see steps, failures, and timestamps which tell you what to fix. Once live, use the service dashboard to check health, scale instances, and add persistent disks if you need storage. If something goes wrong, the most common culprits are missing environment variables, incorrect port binding, or a misconfigured proc file, so check those first. Make a small code change, and push to confirm auto-deploy and verify the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.